Hello everyone, I am Muskan Modgill and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about IVSA, which is International Veterinary Students Association. So if you're a veterinary student and you would like to grab a lot of international as well as national opportunities, be it scholarships, be it attending events, webinars, lot of festivals and activities, make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. In this video, I'll try to answer all the possible questions regarding IVSA about what IVSA is, how to become a member, what are the tasks that you will be required to do, what is the membership fee and will it affect your studies in any way. Beginning with what IVSA is an international non-profit organization which was formed by a group of veterinary students in the year of 1953 in Brussels, Belgium. With its ever-increasing students and ever-increasing international partners, IVSA finally got its legal recognition under the Belgium law in May 2017. As for now, IVSA has partnered with over 33 international companies and organizations. It has its chapters in over 77 countries internationally, and it has around 38,000 student members currently working in it.
I would also like to share how IVSA helped me shape my personality and provide me with so many opportunities. So after a lot of hard work, I was finally able to establish IVSA Rampura Fool in my college in 2020, and it has been a roller coaster ride ever since. Thanks to this amazing platform of IVSA, I along with my batchmates were able to organize so many international exchanges, including one with Japan, Sudan, Netherlands, Romania, Malaysia, Croatia, and even with other parts of India like Pukod, Bhubaneswar, Kashmir, Bangalore, Parbhani, Bidar, etc. Not only online, IVSA has also helped me positively impact so many lives offline as well. This is from our activity wherein we visited government schools on the occasion of Children's Day and we organized various quizzes and competitions, then distributed free stationery to all the students there. We also organized a 2-day workshop for elimination of violence against women, and it was attended by so many people all over Asia. I was also able to participate in an international debate competition, and our chapter also organized a fundraising bake sale. We sold cupcakes in the university campus and 100% profits were given to Ponushka's Asha Foundation. From this money, we were able to cover the surgery charges of an aged dog in the animal shelter.
Let's talk about how to become a member of IVSA India. It's a really easy process. First of all, you will need to set up your own LC, that is your local chapter. Your LC will directly work under NMO, which is the National Member Organization, which in our case is IVSA India. Let's say you're a student of veterinary college in Bikaner and you contact IVSA India to form your own IVSA local chapter. So your local chapter will be named as IVSA Bikaner. So what is the process of forming a local chapter? First of all, you need to be a group of minimum 3 students. As per the guidelines, one student needs to act as president, one needs to act as an exchange officer, and one needs to be the normal member. Next, you need to have letter of permission from the dean of your college to allow the activities of IVSA running in your campus. Then you need to team up with at least 3 students from your college and contact IVSA India at their official mail, which is ivsaindia@ivsamo.org. After that, you will be provided with the registration form and a PowerPoint presentation. Once you complete and submit it, you will be provided with an official login ID by IVSA Global. Now design your own logo and get ready to soar great heights. It's that easy. Now let's talk about the membership fee that you will need to pay IVSA Global every year. The amount of fee varies every year and it will depend on your country's GDP and total number of students in your national member organization. But it usually ranges from 65 rupees to 110 rupees per person for the whole year. The final big question is, will participating in IVSA activities affect your studies in any way? Well, the answer is no, it won't. Imagine the amount of national and international opportunities that you will be getting. Imagine the activities that you will be doing. So you will constantly have an access to various scholarship opportunities and also study materials by various partnered companies and organizations. If that is not enough, IVSA has various communities in it. For example, the IVSA Equine community, IVSA Wild and Exotics community. All these communities organize various individual events. For example, there are monthly book clubs, there are monthly clinical case studies and so many other opportunities. If you're a veterinary student, I would definitely recommend you to form an IVSA local chapter in your college. But make sure to do it really quick because for this year, the registrations are open only till the end of January. So, if you do not want to miss a whole year of fun activities and opportunities, make sure to contact IVSA India right now. That was all for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my content, please make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. Thank you so much.